This is it, this is it. I think this suits me well. I really like it. I hope you do as well. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for staying here, guys. I really appreciate you. And if you're new here, kindly like, share, comment below, subscribe please. So we are doing crochet lines. We begin with doing cornrows, plain cornrows with your natural hair. So mine, I'm going to do like 4 of them. So I've started with my cornrows and yeah. And I really like how they turned out. So neat. I was tempted actually to stop the video right there. Just look at how neat this is. Oh, God of me. We are now crocheting the braids from beginning to the end of the cornrow. Just like that. I wanted 2 shades, so I used black and what's something like that. No, C27. After you're done with the crocheting the braids, you actually want to do a cornrow with the crocheted braids from top to bottom like that. And I love how it came out, but this part was very tricky. My hands kind of get tired, and yeah, we have to do what we have to do, right? So we continue like that with the same process until we're done with the whole head. There's this portion I left at the front. I realized, anyway, I have blessed with the forehead, so yeah, I wanted to do something at the front to at least hide it a bit. Yeah, but I'm not complaining. I think this right here is braiding or something like that. Yeah, it's trending now, so I just decided yeah. And that was the outcome of the makeup and lightning. We did it. Look at that, my goodness, I did it. I hope you too can do it, eh? Don't forget to share, like, comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you